Hey guys, it's Miss Myers again. I just want to go over the lesson for the next 3 days, which is on all the battles, which was a two-front war. You're going to have the European front, which is going to include North Africa, and then you're going to have the Pacific front. So when you guys go in to the World War II folder, whether it be tonight or tomorrow or the next day, you're going to see at the bottom, you've got lesson 10, which I'm saying is May 13th, which is Wednesday, through the 15th, which is Friday. So you want to be done with these battles before you take the quiz on Friday or Saturday. I'm going to post the quiz all the way until Monday so that those of you who are working ahead can take it on Friday, or those of you who are a little behind can wait and take it on Monday. But don't take the quiz until you're done with the battles. When you open up the lesson, what you're going to notice here is that I have two PowerPoint presentations. One is on the North African European front, and the second one is on the Pacific front. So when you look at the chart, I'm just going to open up the chart. You're going to see the Battle of El Alamein, D-Day, and the Battle of the Bulge. These are all the European front, but you're going to give me the specific location in Europe in which these were fought. And in here, you're going to tell me the significance of each battle, which you will find on the PowerPoint. When you open up the Pacific PowerPoint, you're going to get the fall of the Philippines and the Bataan Death March, and you're going to get both Iwo Jima and Okinawa. So all of these are fighting the Japanese, and the Battle of El Alamein, D-Day, and the Battle of the Bulge are going to be mostly Italy, and then Germany and Germany. So the chart is your end result. That is what you have to complete. That is what I just showed you. You're going to use these two PowerPoints to do the chart. You might decide I'm just going to do the European front one day, and then I'm going to do the Pacific another. What I also included for you, if you look in here, is I included a page with just the European front battles. So there's a video clip in here for each battle. You have one short clip on the Battle of El Alamein. You have one short clip on D-Day, which these are colorized, by the way, and one short clip on the Bulge, and I've titled them for you. So these are your video clips. And then when you come into, I came out of World War II by accident, but when you come down to the Pacific battles, I've separated the fall of the Philippines and the Bataan Death March from Iwo Jima and then Okinawa. So I would do a battle, watch the video, do the chart. Do the next battle, watch the video, do the chart. I think that's going to be your easiest way. However you want to break it up though, this is your task for the next 3 days. So all of this starting with lesson 10, May 13th through the 15th, and the videos, is your remaining task for the week. Your quiz will include the Japanese internment camps, the home front and diversity, and the battles. If you have any questions, as always, please email me.